Today, we're diving deep into a review of Shibuya Stream Hotel, located in Tokyo, Japan. Let's find out if this hotel lives up to its reputation and if you should stay there. For booking a stay at the most ideal price, check out the link in the description. At Shibuya Stream Hotel, get your trip off to a great start with a stay at this property, which offers free Wi-Fi in all rooms. Conveniently situated in the Shibuya part of Tokyo, this property puts you close to attractions and interesting dining options. Don't leave before paying a visit to the famous Sensoji Temple. Rated with 4 stars, this high-quality property provides guests with access to restaurant and fitness center on-site. It has a pretty good location. It's pretty close to Shibuya Crossing, 4-minute walk, Meiji Jingu, 4-minute drive, Shinjuku Gyoen National Garden, 7-minute drive, Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building Observation Room, 8-minute drive, and also close to attractions like Tokyo Tower, 8-minute drive, Ginza, 12-minute drive, Ueno Park, 18-minute drive, Asakusa, 21-minute drive. Here's what other travelers have to say about this hotel. I recently had the pleasure of staying at the Hotel Shibuya Stream Hotel, and it was truly an unforgettable experience. From the moment I arrived, the staff made me feel welcome and valued. The location, right at the Shibuya station and steps from the iconic Shibuya crossing, couldn't have been more convenient. I highly recommend booking a corner room on a higher level for the stunning views of Tokyo. The room was beautifully appointed and immaculately clean, providing a tranquil retreat from the bustling city. One highlight was sitting on the sofa, gazing out at Tokyo's glittering lights, a moment of pure serenity. While I enjoyed a satisfying breakfast at Torrent, the dining experience left something to be desired due to tired staff and subpar food. However, with plenty of dining options nearby, this was a minor issue. Overall, Hotel Shibuya Stream Hotel exceeded my expectations, and I wholeheartedly recommend this exquisite hotel to anyone looking for a wonderful stay in Tokyo. I stayed at the Hotel Shibuya Stream Hotel, and it surpassed my expectations. The location is convenient, with easy access to Shibuya Station and nearby eateries. The room was clean, spacious, and perfect for solo travelers. I highly recommend this hotel for a pleasant stay in Shibuya. During my recent stay at Hotel Shibuya Stream, I was impressed by the convenience of its location next to the subway and the high level of security provided by the guest-only elevator. The dining options, especially the Starbucks and variety of restaurants, were excellent, and the amenities like disposable toothbrushes and steamers added to the overall comfort of our stay. I particularly appreciated the separate sink, shower, and toilet in the well-appointed room, along with the fast Wi-Fi and thoughtful details like USB jacks on the bed. I highly recommend this hotel for a comfortable and enjoyable stay. Now, let's move on to our personal ratings for this hotel, depending on the type of traveler. For families, 10 out of 10. For couples, 10 out of 10. For friend groups, 8 out of 10. For solo travel, 10 out of 10. Here are our overall ratings for this hotel. Location, 7 out of 10. Cleanliness, 7 out of 10. Service, 10 out of 10. Value for money, 10 out of 10. We would definitely recommend this hotel to you, no matter what type of traveler you are. To get the best price for this hotel, make sure you check out the link in the description. Have a nice trip,